Blessed, beautiful day, everyone. It is another day. Sun a shine, Christmas breeze a blow, give thanks for life. We are celebrating Christmas time in Jamaica. Now, growing up in Jamaica, one of the best things about Christmas are the food. We might not be able to afford presents, or it wasn't about the gifts, it was about the getting together, yamming and chatting and them stuff there. So we decided to do a video on what Jamaicans eat around this time. Now, as some people would say, Christmas dinner is like a very grand Sunday dinner because it's traditional for Jamaicans to cook great food every Sunday. Some people would even say it is the ultimate food festival, a feast where every dish tells a story and every sip a drink carries a tradition. If you're a foodie, just curious of what makes Christmas so special in a Jamaica, or just want watch the video, welcome. Now let's get into it. When Jamaicans say Christmas or think Christmas, one of the first things that come to mind is that red rich drink. We're not talking about rum or wine. We're talking about sorrel. A cool, nice glass of sorrel with some ginger, pimento seed, and some liquor. Some people put them rum, some people put them red label wine. And some people don't put no liquor at all because they don't drink it based on their religion and them stuff there. But however Jamaicans make their sorrel, you're guaranteed to get some ginger in there for bon appetit, because what is a good juice without the ginger? And you'll see a variety of juices, fruit juices such as carrot juice, pine juice. Jamaicans just love all go all out and do it handmade for Christmas time. I don't know if a lot of homes do this, but my mother personally did do a breadfruit punch. It did sell off. Yo, thinking about it right now, I was like, Mommy, I need to do this again this year Christmas. Tell us, what do you normally drink around this time? And of course, you can't forget the spirits, the rum. Jamaicans are gonna have them white rum and all kind of different liquor to make the Christmas even merrier. Now let's get into the food. A lot of the dishes might be what Jamaicans can afford. So while ham is something that you might see some homes, not a lot of homes will have the ham. Ham is normally more expensive than the other meats. You can correct me if I'm wrong though. So Jamaicans will have them, or try them best by have them goat, them chicken and them pork and fish. And if them can't have a pork, them try to have at least a chicken and goat and fish, right? Some people will have oxtail if them budget stress. Normally the goat is curry goat, tender, juicy, seasoned to perfection. This dish is the MVP of the Christmas table, and people pair it with some hot manish water. Mmm. Now gungo peas and hear me. Rice and peas, gungo, rice and peas. Yo, enough people love them gungo around this time. It's one of the best peas to me. And normally Jamaicans try to have a variety of different types of meat. So if them have something curry, they might have something bake, they might have something stew or fry, you know, or even grill for some houses. Roasted. I remember having roasted fish around this time, bake. And if people can afford them ham, then them bake them ham and them things there. No, it will be rice and peas. Some people have like the rice and peas, the plain rice. I don't know of a lot of households doing cook food like that, hard food. It's normally rice that you eat with them stuff here, and it might be like a salad, a potato salad. And people might do like roasted yam. They try to do it different than, the everyday food that they would normally have. A little bit more festive, a little bit different. So if you never eat goat all year, you will probably try to have goat at Christmas time. If you never eat pork all year or fish all year, you will probably try to have this at Christmas time. So Christmas time is where you will get a greater variety of dishes than the normal Sunday dinner or cooked food in the week. And paired with that, Jamaica will try to have them salad. You might have the cucumber and the carrot, grated as salad. Some people have them potato salad and different types of vegetables to complement the dishes. Some people do their macaroni and cheese. So tell us in the comments what you look forward to around this time for eat. Now, we have to have some kind of baked goods. So you might have your black cake. Some people have them puddings. But note that black cake, Christmas cake, a lot of Jamaicans try to have that in them household that them are prepared for months, soak them foods for months and make them thing. And it can be a more expensive cake to make based on the ingredients and so forth. So I see more people buying it now from like the supermarkets or people who actually make black cake and Christmas cake around this time, and people just buy it than make it. But a lot of households still make them own black cake. I think that's essentially wrap out the main dishes, the main things that we eat around Christmas time. Tell us in the comments if we're missing anything. What was your household like when it comes to the food table at this time of the year? Some household will have them breakfast in the morning with the ackee and saltfish. Oh, and chocolate tea. How can I forget chocolate tea? Even if you don't really eat anything with the chocolate tea, you might eat a piece of hard dough bread. Chocolate tea is one of the things that we have to have around this time of the year. And a lot of households will make their chocolate tea, well, back in the days from scratch. While some people just have them chocolate balls and them do them thing and make them tea. Oh, and some people might have them breadfruit, them fry or roasted breadfruit. Yo, now like Christmas time are the best time when it comes to food. To make me hungry now, just I remember all the meals I've had around Christmas time. So I think that's it. Yeah, we might not look forward to the gifts, the physical, actual presents, but it is just a great gift to just be around family and having a feast. We love our belly full. We love our food. You must know that by now. And one of the things that add happiness to our life is a full belly. So that's it for now, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we plan to release more in today, over the weekend at least, and the weeks coming up. It's a good day to go out. I'm sure a lot of people are doing their shopping for Christmas, going to the market, enjoying the Christmas sun, which is not as hot as the sun that a lot of people used to. You can get free walk up and down because the breeze cool and it not too hot, it not too cold. It just right. And some people wear them, pull over at this time. It's just a comfy, happy season. The Christmas music I play through the streets, pepper lights up, um, a chat with your friend them and your family and strangers, and yeah. So hopefully everybody will have a great Christmas, a wonderful one, a safe one. So big up and blessings always.